Hey y'all, just purchased this Viper Vortex 5 by 25 by 50 PST rifle scope, and I've installed the scope on my 6.5 Creedmoor. Just got through building this bad boy, and the thing I want to make a video of is it might be hard for some people to see, but I want to install the battery in here for the powered reticle in the scope. So I'm going to show you, if you can't really see, because I didn't see anything in the books to do it. So this is why I'm doing this. If you look right in here, and I don't know if you can see because that light might be too bright, but you'll see a diagram right in here, right in the center. Let me get the light back. But anyway, what it's showing is that the positive side of the battery needs to be facing you. So I have already unscrewed the cap and took that off. So let's go find the battery here. Here we go now. You look at the battery here, and this would be that side that looks waffled, and here is the positive side. It takes this common battery right here. This actually came with the scope. This is the CR2032. You buy these on Amazon. You can get them all day for 10 bucks, a whole bunch of them. So we'll take the battery and we'll put it up to the optic and just pop it in here. And it's supposed to seat and snap in, which that just did. So now the battery is in there. Let me get the flashlight. And you can see, like, around the edges there's these little snap-in posts that actually hold the battery in. So to get it out, probably just need to pop it out with your finger like this. I'm not going to take it out just right now, but you push it in till those grab on the edge of the battery, and then you take your cap and this threads in right over in here, but I'm going to need to use both hands to do it. So you guys got the idea. Hope this video helps you. Have a great one. There it is right there, AR-10 platform, 6.5 Creedmoor with the Viper Vortex PST 5251 25 by 25 by 50. Take care.